Hello, what's up, art lovers? Today I will be painting from the Art Sherpa tutorial. So since 2 years I have been following the Art Sherpa channel and have learned a lot from Cinnamon Cooney, the Art Sherpa. So check on the link of her channel in my description box. So I'm going to paint this golden pine Christmassy tree as a good vibe at this difficult time. So I'm going to grab my colors and paintbrushes. Let's get started. So I'm going to the YouTube where I have saved this tutorial. Yes, I have found the golden pine tree. So let me check on the colors which I'm going to get started with this golden pine. Oh, there she goes. And what I'm gonna do is that I will check on the first half of the video and then I will start painting with her. The funny part, she's dancing. Yeah. So here is my palette and I've saved the image in my mobile, a screenshot of that. And I'm going to take a similar color. So I'm using Prussian blue, then turquoise blue and white. So this tutorial is based on Q-tips and sponge. I'm trying to do with the sponge which I have. I'm afraid that it's not coming that well. Let me check, let me try. Okay, so I'm not satisfied with whatever I did, so I'm going back and wiping the things. So I'm using my usual brush. So here it goes, the background for the golden pine. Yep. So I usually draw sometimes Art Sherpa tutorials, and the thing is that most of the colors I won't be having, and what I do is that I use a similar color which I have and I go along with it. There will be certain tips and tricks which she gives, which is very very helpful while painting. And I have done couple of paintings from Art Sherpa tutorial and really it helped me out. So I'm going to view other half of the tutorial now. And yes, here is the base for the golden pine which I'm going to do, and it is supposed to be purple. I don't know, my purple is something, goddamn, too much of red in it. So let's see. But the thing is that I will keep going painting. I'm not going to judge myself right now. So tap here and there, tap. So let's see what's gonna happen. So I'm going to darken the base of the pine how she had shown to paint, and this will be the base of my pine tree. At the same time I'll be checking out the last part of the video, and look at that Cinnamon Cooney's golden pine. It's damn cute. Again, coming back to my work, so I'm going to use this cotton tips for my pine. Let me try whether it works for me. The sponge didn't work for me. Tips, okay, it seems to be. So I have used certain similar colors whichever I have. Tap. I was not so comfortable with the cotton bud, so I'm using the brush again. Seems like my pine tree is too fat. Okay, I'm doing so much of tricks to make it right. My pine tree looks so fat. I'm not satisfied, so I'm going back and correcting my golden pine. So I have redone the top portion of my painting so that it look cone shaped at the top, and after that I'm just redoing my golden pine in the same manner how she has shown. So here it is, and there it goes, my golden pine, golden pine, golden pine. I just can't take my eyes off you. I had great fun doing this tutorial. Thank you Cinnamon Cooney for this wonderful tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. So if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified when I update new videos. Also follow and like my Instagram and Facebook art page. Art hugs and peace. Namaste.